For those who don't know, do you have like an elevator pitch, simple way of explaining what's going on with the BioCharger?
We do. So,
I'd love to hear it because, you know,
yeah,
for us, it's always, okay, how much time do you have?
yeah,
And those elevator pitches suddenly turn into 15-minute and you're explaining quantum physics and you're explaining all these different masters who took their whole life to get to certain discoveries. So tell us what you got.
sure. So, and Jim and I'll ham and egg it pretty well on that. But um, bottom line is, we like to affectionately call the BioCharger is the ultimate human recharging station. And that's an oversimplified, and it's a very complex thing, but what's not so hard to understand is that there was a new statistic recently released pre-COVID that showed that Americans spend approximately 90% of their time indoors. That was pre-COVID. And I guarantee
Yeah.
you that number has not decreased.
Mm-hmm.
And consequently, as you well know, our bodies require energies that exist in nature in order to function properly. So, and these energies, many of them have all of the efficacy, the validation through NIH studies, et cetera, but those energies are vital to our health and wellness. Lacking those energies, and you can look at the work from Dr. Jerry Tennant in Voltage is Healing. There are three common characteristics to healthy cells. And by the way, healthy cells are the only way, making new cells that work properly is the only way our body can heal. So three most important characteristics of healthy cells is uptake of nutrients, dealing with toxicity and voltage. Inadequate voltage at the cellular level results in non-perfect regeneration of cells. Your body are degrading the quality of cell. So very hard for your body to not only regenerate, but to heal itself or deal with stress if it doesn't have adequate energy. So if you look at pulsed electromagnetic fields, photonic energy or light, radio-based frequencies and harmonics, or frequencies and harmonics, which are going on all the time. There's a ringing in our atmosphere, which is created by 100 lightning strikes a second happen around, all high voltage. So because we're not exposed, and you think about, we're inside, we're shielded right now, you're getting EMF, you're getting energy, all right, but from the routers and the cell phone and the mic and the Bluetooth and maybe even microwave, but those are not the kind of energies our bodies thrive on. We'll just kind of leave it that way. Mm-hmm. So the BioCharger replicates and amplifies those four key energy types that exist in nature that allow you to sit next to it and in 12 to 15 minutes enable your body to be exposed to those energy types in a way that it can actually absorb the energy.
Yeah.
And the result of that is it's not curing anything. It's allowing your body to have the energy it needs to function properly and to regenerate.
Right. And listen, we have had patients who say that is their favorite therapy. And like you mentioned, we have a lot. There's over 100 different therapies we're utilizing now at this clinic. It's just constantly we're looking for new stuff. And that's how we found you guys 5 years ago. I'm very thankful for that. But many patients do explain and do tell that they feel re-energized or grounded, or these words that you would normally say you get in nature. So that replication of nature through technology to me is fascinating.